the lighting is good here. Hey.
It's not like that.
Wow, you cut me off.
If you stay on the street, it's valid.
You cut me off. Jalen, let's do it. Let's do the TikTok. En español. No, it's fine.
We're here hiking.
Barbie,
Yo hablé con el señor.
move.
I don't have things.
He's like, pero la gente que sabe.
Hold on, I don't think I have this on.
Alright, I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. So, social distancing. Social distancing.
You don't know what that is, dude.
We don't recall what
They
that
love me too much.
This is just a whole line.
Because people die. How many? 40. You want to be 41?
date. We don't know where we're going. We don't know what we're doing.
They want to walk.
We want to hike.
¡Ay! ¡Se cayó!
Okay, so update. We finally decided what are we gonna do. Eh. Hello. Oh. Hello.
Yo, sí, pero
Taking a break.
Yeah, he was out.
Hey guys, what's up?
that's why he's
You already know, stay hydrated or whatever.
That's a good one too, right there.
Okay, and now we're making another stop, and he has too much energy. No, you could go.
Okay,
Go take a picture over there.
Oh, right here.
That's so crazy.
How cute.
I have needles growing out the trunk. Take it. Come on.
I'm not taking it right there.
Cookies?
Banana.
One cookie.
Energy. Look at this. Look what I do, nigga.
Guys, say hey. You want me to hold that? So now, so we got wet. This is the waterfall, and now we're going down. Wow. Ooh, look at that sunlight. So we gotta be really careful here. It's curtains. Everybody. Say hey, everybody.
Hi guys, we're here.
Oh my
The
gosh.
first casualty.
Oh, Jesus. And then there's them. So we'll see you guys on the way down. Okay, guys, so this is another waterfall. So my hair is like this because we got wet. So and he fell. Oh my god. And we got 3.
What?
Somos del campo. Somos del campo.
Right there.
So we're still coming down. Be careful, Dale! I'm vlogging.
Yo, pa. You thought it's not a good idea. Wait, hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait, hold on.
¿En serio?
We survived? We didn't die. No, we're not number 42.
41.
Oh, 41.
So everybody, we finished. We're done. We're on our way home, and I am gonna get hit by a car. So, how do you feel, Jalen?
I feel accomplished. Like I ran a 1,000-mile marathon.
I don't even know how many miles that was. Like, it was so much. It was crazy. But we did it. So, hopefully we do it again because it was fun. So, see you guys next time.